It's time to have you work on some exercises for Chapter 2. And so we have several things we want you to work through. Hopefully these aren't too difficult. We know that all we've had you do so far is type in a program, compile and run it, but this is a chance to do a little bit more practice with what you know so far. So exercise number 1, on your systems, we want you to write a Java program called myname that prints out your name. We want you to compile it using the javac command, list your directory, so do that dir command to see what's in there, and see what was created. You should see a .class file. Then go ahead and run the program using the Java command. As far as where to put this code, if you want to put it, I would say either put it in the examples directory with the other code you had, or maybe build a new directory. This is up to you as to how you want to organize things. Some people like to go maybe under Chapter 2, and they'd create a new folder here and maybe call it labs or my solutions or my code, and maybe in there they would create the new myname.java that they would edit and make modifications to. But if you want to do this in the examples directory, that's fine too. Number 2, what happens if the name of the Java file is different from the class name contained in it? Remember a few pages back we said something along the lines of the name of your public class has to match the name of your Java file. Well, here we're going to see what happens if that doesn't match. Take your myname.java and copy it to a new file called name.java. Try to compile it and see what the message is you get from the compiler. So the concept is that the file name wouldn't match the class name at this point. Number 3, this is just for fun. There's a command called javap, J-A-V-A-P, and this is a tool that comes with the JSDK, and you can use this to what we call disassemble or look inside of a class file. Some people find it very interesting to see what makes up a class file, what the instructions are that are given to the JVM. So we want you to run the javap-c command and have it look at maybe your myname program to see what's inside of there. I'll go ahead and record a follow-up video for these 3 exercises where I work through them and provide a set of solutions for you so that you can see how to run through this, or maybe how I would have gone through them. So please work on these on your own for a while, and then once you're done, if you want to watch me work through them, watch the video that includes the solutions for the Chapter 2 exercises.